Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the origin destination function on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three dot at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the third option, the map options. At the left side on the screen, scroll down and you can find the vessel labels section, and here you can find the origin destination button, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.